up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful Sunday here in SoCal, and we are on our way to the meet spot. Should be a few of us today. We're heading down to Josie's Hideout. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Josh, and I ride a Yamaha Bolt. And don't mind my speedo. My speed sensor took a shit. I have one on order. I ordered it on eBay. It's going to be here this week. But yeah, that's what's going on with that. Alright, so I missed my exit, but I'm tripping out now because I see my check engine light, and I'm wondering if that's because of the speedo not working. It's tripping out. Alright guys, so we're getting code 42, and I looked it up. It is basically the speed sensor. There's no signal coming from the speed sensor. I already knew that. It was dead. So the check engine light just turned on now. I was just tripping out. But yeah, I guess that's going to be on until I replace it, which should be sometime this week when it comes in. Got really overcasted, but we're on our way. Oh shit. Oh shit, it completely fell off.
I was gonna lose it if I didn't stop.
You lost your bracket, huh? Zip ties?
Or E-tape? Zip ties or E-tape?
Fucking zip tie it like this?
I could, yeah.
So Jordan's headlight was loose at the gas station, and he said, fuck it, we'll just ride. Because I guess none of the tools we had fit. But it completely came off now. So, zip tie gang it is. We're back and ready to go. About to pull up to the first stop here, Chevron gas station. We're about 70 miles in. I might as well just fill this up. Should be about halfway. So first stop here at the Chevron. Pretty much all bolts except for Di. Brought his lowrider. Let's take a look at Jordan's headlight. It's holding up?
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, that's solid, dude. Hey, look at who showed up. So Carlos here, roll with Carlos, met us up here in Oceanside. It's a good little group, 6 of us, 7 with Carlos now. We got a little chilly on the way here, but it's not too bad now. We swapped out gloves too. I went to the OGs, a little thicker. Have Carlos lead the way. That way I can hang back and record some of the guys riding. So we're going to be heading down to 76 all the way to Josie's, and then we were debating whether we should hit Palomar Mountain on the way there or hit it off after. So I think we're going to do after Josie's. We're gonna head up Palomar and cut through the backside there so we can hit some twisties. Feels good to hit a little bit of twisties after all that highway riding. It's a nice looking view right here. The little mist or whatever it is, like the fog, smog, since we live in California. Over here. Here we go. Ah, there's a car. I got tricked. I thought it was gonna be clear. Oh, perfect. Yes, thank you, sir. Ah, this is pretty nice. I feel like I got the whole road to myself. Chilling, cruising. Hell yeah. We are almost there. I think it is coming up here. Here we go. Alright, who's ready to eat? Me. Hell yeah! Yeah, that guy was ready to eat. He's like, fuck that, let's go inside, let's talking.
He gets hangry quick.
Guys ready to eat, fast boys?
Ready to eat, bro. I'm ready to grub.
This guy already editing videos over here. Shit, you gotta be quick on the reels.
No, that's the only thing
Cheers, Jordan.
I like about this shit, bro.
Oh yeah. Got the pulled pork.
Yeah, said it was a burger.
Got my brew. I think this beer hit pretty fast.
Dude, it was like...
I was like, yes, I needed it. That was pretty good. Oh, that was so good. Had a pulled pork sandwich, a couple beers. Really, really good. Awesome time at Josie's Hideout. The food was actually pretty good. Beers were on point. Really nice day to be out riding. Atlas throttle lock comes in handy. We were gonna go through Palomar, but some of the guys gotta go, so we're just gonna go ahead and head straight home. Hit the 15, go through the backside here up towards Temecula. It was good to see some of the guys like Die here and roll with Carlos. I haven't seen them in a while, so it's good to get out on the road with them. We do have a trip coming up at the end of the month, so I am going to see them later, but it's a nice little stroll here on a Sunday. Made my way to the back. Let these guys pass so I can kind of get some shots with them in there. Carlos, always trying to get the shots. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna cut it off here. We are on our way to the gas station, and then after that it's just gonna be highway all the way home. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you guys want to see more ride videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.